Yung bata na pumapasok na walang pagkain. No? So, nag-donate din po tayo ng mga basketball balls at iba pang sports equipment. No? At nag-donate din po sa HE ng mga sacks of flour. So, those little things, no? Alam ko, hindi malaki ito, but pagsama-samahin din po natin, miski na paano, we have contributed so much. Okay. We have received certificate of recognition for AHS Part 722, last July 31, 2018. It's a grateful recognition for their support and generosity by helping out the school in improving physical and psychological health of the disadvantaged students. We have also sponsored luncheon for Brigada Balik Eskwela program. Okay? Ito po, ang pinakamalaki natin na iambag, gawa ng aking mga kaklase galing sa international, sa abroad. Provided allowance to AHS high school students. 15 pong mga bata na binibigyan ng allowance. And 7 college students na pinag-aral po sa PLN. This is to the courtesy ni ating international counterpart. Kung meron tayo AHS Class 72 Board of Directors, meron po rin tayo AHS 72 International Board of Directors. Sila po ang walang sawang tumulong doon sa mga less privileged students. And I know 3 of them, graduated, and we have 7 already graduated, and most of them now are professionals. Hindi na po sila liability ng ating community. Nakipalakpakan po para sa ating mga napapagaling ng classmates. Ito po siguro kailangan din natin sabihin na hindi po tayo nagpapahuli sa the rest of the alumni of AHS o Arroyo High School. 3 of our students, 3 of our classmates, has received Outstanding Alumna Award. No? May we recognize Miss Eufemia Costello-Saga. And also, special round of applause to Miss Agnes Monfe. And of course, ayaw na sabihin. Kasi ako naman. So, maraming po salamat sa inyo. I hope you classmates should be very, very proud of this batch. Ito po yung kakaibang lahi. Kakaibang lahi in a way na nagkakaisa at the age of 70. So, napakahirap pong i-organize, but with your support, wala po kami kapaguran. So, maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. At thank you, God, the Lord. Thank you,
All right.